Hello everyone. Are you still logging your customer details every time when our order is going to be paid? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have a fully automated system that instantly sends the mail whenever the order is going to be paid. To make this automation, we are going to use the platform called AutoAPI, a no-code automation platform where you can build a multiple automated workflow. Look AutoAPI as your digital assistant, which can be able to handle all the logical problems, and you can use automations to run your business smoothly. Here you can find this is the landing page of AutoAPI where you can find there is a list of applications we integrated, so which can be helpful for you guys to create a more powerful automation workflows. You can find there is a ready-made templates also available, so you can directly import this template and use this template to your businesses also. Now let's create the workflow. For that, just tap on the workflow. So before creating the workflow, so before tapping on the workflow, make sure you just created your account and log in yourself. I already created my credential and log in myself. So just tap on this is the automation dashboard where you can find the multiple automation workflows which will be created by yourself, and you can filter them on the basis of their status, last modification date, how many tasks they got executed, and many more. Now let's just create the workflow by simply tapping on add the workflow and give it a name. So I'm going to give it a name as customer payment detail via email and save this one. So you can see we just create our workflow, and here you can find a one window will be appear with a list of application which is known as trigger. So for our automation, we are going to use Razorpay as our trigger application, and the event which we are going to use is order paid and add the first application. So here you can find we successfully add Razorpay as our first node in our AutoAPI canvas. Now here we have to just set up our webhook URL so our app is able to communicate with your Razorpay account with the help of this webhook URL. So here you can find there is a list of instructions we just provided how to set up this webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and come to your Razorpay account. Then search for the webhook, and here you can able to add your webhook URL. Just add new webhook and paste your webhook here itself. And the event which I'm going to use is order paid. Select this one. And now just create the webhook. So as you can see, we successfully set up our webhook URL. Now we successfully built a bridge between AutoAPI and Razorpay. Now it's time to test this application via just use any of your payment link or any of the payment pages which you already created. Just copy this payment URL and paste it here. So before processing your payment modules, just make sure you just click this tab capturing sample data and come to your payment module and then start processing your payment with giving all the required field. So here you can find we successfully add our payment. Now it's time to just check. So yes, it is able to. So yes, it is able to capture all the data. So here we successfully add our first application, which is Razorpay itself. Now, if you notice in your test node, the amount it is going to provide us is with the whole number, while there is no decimal point will be included in here. So it might be create some confusion. So for that, just add a new node, which is math operator. and the event which math itself. Now it is going to asking for the expression. So we are going to add our so we are going to map the data from our previous node. Just select the Razorpay as the previous node and search for the amount and divide it with 100. So it will be going to give us a answer on the basis of when it will going to divide this with the 100. So here you just got the amount. Now you just got the data and with correct price point also. So here we are going to add our next application, which is Gmail, and the action event we are going to use is send mail version 2. Now in the setup node, you just got two options. While you can use your existing connection or you can create a new connection also. So I'm going to use my existing connection, and yes, now I'm going to fill all the data. So the amount, so the mail is going to be provided to my team, which is, so I'm going to name it as, so I'm going, so here I just map all the data and I just provide the HTML content also here itself. Now it's time to submit, and so now it's time to submit the data. So we saved our data successfully. Now let's just test this node. So it's saying our task executed successfully. Now come to your, so yes, we just got the mail here. So yeah, we just got all the details with customer email ID, their phone number, the method they are going to, the method they used to make this payment, and all other stuffs. So, so now you can find how easy and straightforward it was. No complex coding, just a few simple clicks, and that's it. Your automation is going to be ready. So, so now you have just learned how to instantly get customer details via email when an order is going to paid into your Razorpay. So this is the way you are going to make this automation. Now you can build this automation in the auto API. Find more automation video like this. Just make sure you just hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure you just like the video and share the video with your friends. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.